ठीक है. So अभी तक we have learned the what is ratio, what is the standard form of the ratio, how to write the ratio of the two given quantity that are compared, and then its equivalent form and its standard form. है ना, इतनी बात हम लोगों को समझ में आ गई. Now let's understand how to compare, two ratios. ठीक है, how to compare two ratio. This is very similar to comparing the two fractions. हमने किया हुआ है ना, how to compare two fractions. तो ये भी बहुत सिमिलर है, बट इसको एक बार देख लेते हैं how to do it. So in the first part, let me show you how to solve the first part, and then remain you will solve it. Here is 4 ratio 7. 4 ratio 7 is nothing but 4 upon 7. Okay, it's 4 upon 7. Similarly, 5 ratio 8 is equals to 5 by 8. ठीक है. The main thing that we have to remember कि this consequence is denominator and this antecedent is your numerator. Bas. Now let's compare them. If I say which one is greater, 4 upon 7 or 5 upon 8? Which one is greater? So if you remember, कैसे हम लोग करते थे, just take the cross multiplication. If I cross multiplication of the denominator with numerator, क्या मिलेगा मुझे? This will become how much? 4, 8, 4 ja 32. So this will become 32, and this will come 35. So this one is greater. This one is greater. Okay. So we can write, after solving, what we can write? 4 ratio 7. 4 ratio 7 is greater than 5 ratio 8. So this is your answer. So in the same manner, try this one, try the second part and send to me. In this part, 5 ratio 12. 5 ratio 12 means 5 upon 12. And 3 ratio 8 means 3 upon 8. Now do the cross multiplication. This will become 40. This will become 40. And this 12 3 ja 36. It will become 36. So which one is greater? 40 is greater. So I can write 5 by 12 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay. So this is your solution. Very simple. So let's move to the next one. Now, by using this method, you can solve this. Arrange the ratios in descending order. Now what you have to do? You have to arrange them in descending order. Descending order, you all know, from larger to smaller, from greater to smaller. Okay, do it. Okay, let's see how to solve it. So there are two ways to solve it. We will do both of them one by one. We have 3 ratios. Okay, we have 3 ratios. 5 ratio 7, which is equivalent to 5 upon 7, and 11 ratio 14, which is equivalent or equals to 11 upon 14. And third one is 17 ratio 21, which is equivalent to, the first thing is all the ratios are in standard form. But the thing that we have to notice is all the denominators are multiple of 7. All the denominators are multiple of 7. So what can I do? I can convert these fractions in equivalent fraction, or what we can say, the fractions with same denominator. Okay, so same denominator करने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I have to take the LCM of 7, 14 and 21. 7, 14 and 21 to make them equal. अब क्या आएगा मेरा? The LCM of 7, 14 is 42. Very good. It's 42. So now the second step is to multiply this all fractions by the LCM of the denominator. Okay, what I will get? This is your 7, 1 and 7, 6. This is your 14, 1 and 14, 3. This is 21, 1 ja and 21, 2 ja. Now this fraction is your 30. This fraction is your 30. This one is your 33. And this one is your 34. So I can see we have to arrange them in descending order. So the largest one is this, the largest one is this, and then second, the first one is this, second and third. So my final arrangement will look like, my final descending order will look like 17 ratio 21 is greater than 11 ratio 14 is greater than 5 ratio 7. Okay, so this is your final solution. Okay, understood? So Diksha, I think you have understood now what should be the correct order. And the second way of solving it is first compare any two. Okay, I am writing the next a different way of comparing, which is seems to be quite fast. 7 ratio 5 upon 7 or 11 upon 14. In दोनों में what we will do, cross multiply, so it will become 70 and it will become 77. तो ये बड़ा है. Similarly, I will compare this greater one with 17 upon 21. Okay, 17 upon 21. In this case, this 21 means 231. So it will become, let me write it with different color, 231, and this 14 into 17. 14 into 17 will be how much? 238. So this is 238. So this is greater than this and this one is greater than this. So I can write again 17 ratio 21 is greater than 11 ratio 14 greater than 5 ratio 7. So you will get the same result. So whichever method you like, you can apply. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next question. I hope this is clear to all of you. So let's move to the next question. Now, in this question, we have given A ratio B and B ratio C. We have to find out the A ratio C. ठीक है, ये दो ratios मुझे given है, A ratio B and B ratio C. What I have to find out? A ratio C. So I am solving this first part and you will try the second. Let's see how to find out A ratio C. So A ratio B is your 2 ratio 5. So I can write A upon B is equals to 2 upon 5. Okay. And second one is B upon C. B upon C is equals to 3 upon 7. Understood? ये बात हमको पता है कि how to convert a ratio into fraction. Now, if I write A upon B multiply, what I am doing? I am multiplying with B upon C. So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 2 upon 5 multiply with 3 upon 7. Now, see, this B will cancel out. What you will remain with? You will remain with A ratio, या A upon C, which is equals to, इसको simplify कर लेते हैं. There is nothing to simplify, so directly multiply it. तो कितना आएगा? 6 by 35. So I can write A ratio C is 6 upon 35, which is equivalent to A ratio C is equals to 6 ratio 35. Okay, understood? So this is your, is it clear? Okay, let's see how to solve it. Okay, you all have done well. A very simple thing. Again, A upon B is equals to 7 upon 8 and B upon C is equals to 16 by 21. They both fractions are in a standard form. In a standard form. ठीक है, keep remember कि भाई हमेशा मुझे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में ही आंसर निकालना है. सो A upon B multiply with B upon C is equals to 7 by 8 multiply with 16 by 21. But this, अब यहाँ पे देखो, you have certain common multiples. ठीक है, 7 1 जा 7 3 जा 8 1 जा 8 2 जा 16. So what you will get? 2 ratio 2 upon 3, which is equals to, now I can write A ratio C. ये भी कट गया. A ratio C is equals to 2 ratio 3. ठीक है, अब ये बात आप लोगों को समझ में आ गई. Good. चलो, next move to the next question. Now in this we have two ratios given and I have to find out this A, B, C. You have to find out A ratio, B ratio, C. Then how to do it? देखते हैं. In this case, whenever you find such case, what you will do? You will try to make this B. Okay, let's write first A upon B is equals to 5 upon 6. ठीक है, यहां ध्यान से देखना आप लोग. And B upon C is equals to 4 by 7. अब यहां ध्यान किस पे देना है? B पे, because B is common in both. So I would like to make this B equal in both the fractions. So how will I do it? कैसे कर सकता हूं मैं? I will take the LCM. I will take the LCM of 6 and 4. So quickly tell me the LCM of 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4 क्या होगा, फटाफट बताओ। It's 12. Very good, Diksha. It's 12. Okay, so LCM is 12. Now if LCM is 12, how can I make this 6 12? इस 6 को 12 बनाने के लिए मुझे क्या करना होगा? I have to convert this fraction into a equivalent fraction. ठीक है, A ratio B is equals to 5:6. नीचे 12 करना है। So whenever I, अभी हमने देखा इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन बनाते समय क्या करते हैं, we multiply the denominator and numerator with the same number, और यहाँ पे मुझे 12 बनाना है, तो what I will do, I will multiply it with 2. Okay, let me write this. I will multiply with this 2 and this 2. Then what I will get? 10/12. 10/12. Now A upon B is equals to 10/12. Similarly, B upon C. B upon C is equals to 4/7. Now, in this case, you have to make this B 4 as 12. So, by which I should multiply both numerator and denominator? I will multiply it with which number? Tell me fast. By 3. Both numerator and denominator. Then what I will get? I will get 12/21. Okay, now see, in this fraction B is equals to 12, and in this fraction B is equals to 12. ठीक है, ये दोनों आ गया। Now A is equals to 10, A is equals to 10 and C is equals to 21. Now I can write A ratio B ratio C is equals to, A is how much? 10. A is your 10. So I will write A is my 10. 10 ratio B is your 12 and C is your 21. So this is your final answer. Understood? In this case, 7A upon B, A upon B is your 7 upon 8, and B upon C is equals to 2 upon 5. So what I have to make, I have to make this B equal. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर 8 है, यहाँ पर 2 है. So either I make this 8 2 or this 2 8. So making this 2 8 is quite simpler. ये सिंपल है, क्या करूंगा मैं, इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा. So what I will get? I will get 8/20. Now this 8 and this 8 is equal, means both B are equal. What? Now the value of A is 7, A is 7 and C is 20, C is 20 and B is 8. Okay, in both the fractions B is 8. So finally what I will get? A ratio B ratio C is equals to, A is your how much? 7. A is your 7. B is your 8 and C is your 20. So this is the way to solve it, this question. Understood? So I hope now such question become easier for you. Okay, sure. Let's move to the next one. Now in this question, there are 3 numbers that seems to be equal in a different manner. Okay, in a different manner. So 3A is equals to 2B and 2B is equals to 4C. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out A ratio B ratio C. In this case, what I will do? In this case, what I will do? I will try to equate all these with a common number. With a common number, let's say any variable like 3a. 3a is equals to 2b is equals to 4c, and they all are equals to, let's say, k or any other variable you can take. There is no need to take a only. Now 3a is equals to k, then a is equals to k by 3. Now a is equals to k by 3. Similarly, 2b is equals to k, then b is equals to k by 2, and 4c is equals to k, so c is equals to k by 4. K by 4. Now I can say a ratio a ratio b a ratio b ratio c is equals to k by 3 ratio k by 2 ratio k by 4. K by 4. Now what is common in them? What is common in them? अभी हम लोगों ने किया ना कि how to find out or how to convert fractional ratios into a standard form. तो इस केस में क्या करेंगे? We will take the LCM. But we will take the LCM of what? The denominator. We will take the LCM of denominator क्योंकि इसको equate करना है. So tell me the LCM of your 3, 2 and 4. फटाफट कैलकुलेट करके बताओ. 3, 2 and 4 क्या होगा LCM? It's 12. Very good, Diksha. It's 12. So LCM is 12. Then what I will do? I will convert all these fractions into standard form like k by 3 into 12, k by 3 into 12 is equal, and k by 2 and k by 4. इन सबको क्या करूंगा मैं? I will multiply all of them with the LCM of their denominator, that is 12. And what I will get? This is your 4, this is your 6, this is your 3. Now I have 4k, 6k and 3k. Okay. Now I can write A ratio B ratio C is equals to 4k, 6k ratio 3k. But there is problem in this case. There is one common factor between them. क्या है वो? K. So in order to write it in the standard form, क्या करूंगा मैं? I will remove this k from all the numbers. So finally what I will get? A ratio B ratio C is equals to 4 ratio 6 ratio 3. So this is your understood. let's take this question. Okay, Tanya divided the collection of 253 stamps. Let me show you the what is the question. ठीक है, 253 stamps है between two sisters, Shamli and Kia, and the ratio is 6:4. उनको किस रेशियो में बांट रही है? 6:5 में. The number of stamps each of the sister receive, ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. So in this case, let me solve it for you. This is the first question. So अब देखो, इसको पहले क्वेश्चन समझ लेते हैं. There are total 253 stems. टोटल 253 स्टेम्स हैं और इनको दो रेशियोज में बांटना है. 6:6 एंड 5. 6 एंड 5. अब इसको सोचेंगे कैसे? सपोज दिस इज योर 6 एंड 5, दे आर इन रेशियो, ठीक है, बट इनके अंदर कोई ना कोई एक कॉमन मल्टीपल होगा. दैट्स, अभी ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में रेशियो है. अब इसको ऐसे समझो, 6:5 इज योर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ठीक है, ये किस फॉर्म में है? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है. लेकिन इन दोनों का सम तो 253 होता नहीं है. सो इनके अंदर कोई ना कोई एक कॉमन मल्टीपल छुपा होगा. सो लेट अस राइट कि ये है 6x और ये है 5x. ठीक है, और इन दोनों का कॉमन मल्टीपल कौन है? ये. नाउ अगर ये 6x है और ये 5x है, तो इन दोनों का सम कितना होना चाहिए? 253 होना चाहिए. नाउ आई कैन राइट 6x plus 5x is equals to 253. ये आ गया. नाउ दिस 6x, ये जो पहला 6x है, दिस इज फॉर शामली. दिस 6x इज फॉर शामली and this 5x is for Kia. ओके, सिमिलरली इन दोनों का सम, मतलब दोनों को बांटा है तो दोनों को जोड़ेंगे तो हमारा कितना आएगा? 253 आएगा. नाउ 6x plus 5x is your 11x. 11x is equals to 253. Now the value of x will be 253 by 11. 253 by 11. Now if you solve it, आपको क्या मिलेगा? 11 2 जा and 11 3 जा. So the value of x is 23. Value of x is equals to 23. So ये वो कॉमन फैक्टर था जो दोनों में मिला हुआ था. नाउ अब शामली क्या था? 6x मीन्स 6 into 23, which is equals to how much? Similarly, Kia has 5 into 23, which is equals to how much? देख लेते हैं. What should be the answer? This is your 18 1 12 138. 138 स्टेम्स किसको मिले? 138 स्टेम्स मिले शामली को. Similarly, this is your 15 1 5 और 115 किसको मिले? किया को मिले. So the answer is 138 to Shamli and 115 to Kia. Understood? Very good. I hope you all have understood it. Okay, chalo, ठीक है. Now tomorrow we will do the questions based on this type of concept. ठीक है, अब हम रेशियोज को यूज करना सीख रहे हैं. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या सीखा? व्हाट इज रेशियो. फिर हमने देखा कि रेशियो का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या होता है. देन वी हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू कंपेयर द रेशियो, हाउ टू मेक देम इक्विवेलेंट रेशियो पहले समझा. देन हाउ टू कंपेयर देम, देन अरेंज देम, देन हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द रेशियो, अ डिफरेंट रेशियो गिवन फ्रॉम टू डिफरेंट रेशियो. ठीक है, ए रेशियो बी दिया हुआ था और बी रेशियो सी दिया हुआ था. देन आई हैव फाइंड आउट हाउ व्हाट विल बी ए रेशियो सी. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें हमने देखी. उसके बाद नाउ दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन. नाउ वी आर एट द स्टेज ऑफ अप्लाइंग the concept of ratio. So we will have some more questions based on this, and within the next class we will complete this ratio and we will start the proportions. Okay, if anybody have any doubt, he or she can ask. So that's it for today. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Good. Thank you for your response and thank you for your participation. Thank you for your presence. Have a nice day. Take care.